Hi, I'm Jimmy Blakeney, product designer for ISLE, and in this video, we're gonna talk about InifityFiber. I've got a Switch Pro board here, which has InifityFiber. It has it on the deck as well as on the hull, but you can see it on the hull because we have these reveals so that you can actually see the material. This is a high-performance composite material. It is a true composite. The technical term for this material is continuous fiber reinforced thermoplastic. It is a patented material. It's totally exclusive to ISLE, and it allows us to make inflatables that are 300% more rigid than typical inflatables. So we're getting incredible rigidity out of this material, and we are applying it to the board on the curved part of the rail, as well as on the deck and the hull. And that's what further enhances the rigidity of this material and allows us to create a whole new class of boards called inflatable hardboards. It really bridges the gap between an inflatable and a hardboard. What's great about having a more rigid board is that you get a lot more capacity on the board, a lot more stability on the board, and the board doesn't want to bend under load. With an inflatable hardboard, you get much closer to the properties of a true composite epoxy board, which of course, those are difficult to transport. They're great, but you just don't have that option for portability. So with inflatable hardboard, you get all the great benefits of an inflatable with the portability together with the properties of a true rigid board that has a lot more efficiency on the water and is going to give you stability and capacity without tacoing. That's a little bit about the InifityFiber itself. The material is being used also by the US Navy and even by NASA. They're testing this material for various uses, even going into space, potentially going to Mars. So it is a really high performance material. We're lucky to have it and to be working with our partners who we work with to develop this material. That's a little bit more detail about InifityFiber and how we're using it to create these inflatable hardboards.